Well, it's snowing pretty good for the first time this year. That must mean we are in the holiday season, and like usual, I have some special alarms to set off to celebrate. This right here is a system sensor P2W-L-LF. It is the low frequency sounder horn strobe. It's actually the same one that was in the last test. However, I put a red strobe cover on it and then a red evacuation plate on it. And I'd say that makes it look really cool. Going down, the pull station is the same. It is the Honeywell S.E.R 64D1000. We'll be pulling this today and setting everything off. Yes, there's a lot more. On the far side of the garage, I swapped out that L-Series strobe with this L-Series P2WL-SP. It's the Fuego version, and I put a green strobe cover on it. And the horn is set on its famously loud temporal 3-tone. That's not all of the alarms for this holiday test this year. There's the security system that is wired up. That'll also go off. The panel has a bunch of Christmas lights around it. And then also wrapped in Christmas lights are, dun da da da, 4 more alarms. Well, 3 alarms and 1 strobe. So this right here is a system sensor P2 GRL. It's set on a temporal 3K. It has a blue strobe and an agent plate on it. Going to the right, we have a Gentex GECG24 PWW. It's set on temporal 3 mechanical, and it has a green strobe. Going to the right, there is a Wheelock RSSA-24MCW. It has a blue strobe, and this alarm does not make any noise, but it will flash. And then going more to the right, lastly, we have a Gentex WG-ECR 24-75WW. And I have this set on Whoop, and it has a red strobe attached to it. So we will have 4, 5, 6, 7 alarms going off for this holiday test. Get ready, it's about to get loud as soon as we pull the fire alarm. Well, I have my hearing protection in now. Definitely gonna need that for this one. I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas, this is one of my favorite times of the year. And we're gonna set off some alarms today to celebrate. Also, thank you for watching my videos. If you do, I really appreciate it. It is really cool to be able to share this hobby with you. Also, I did forget to mention that the system sensor alarm up there is set on continuous. So there is a change with that since the last system test. And then also, I am going to turn off the light. There will be a lot of flashing lights coming up on the screen. So if you have epilepsy or anything like that, you probably should not watch this next segment. All right, let's celebrate by pulling the fire alarm. In 3, 2, 1. Well, that was loud. Let's reset this pull station here. That is very easy to do with one hand. Not really. Being sarcastic there. But there it is. Now it's reset. And then we can reset the main fire alarm control panel. Alright everyone. Stay tuned for the New Year's fire alarm sounding. Of course we're going to do a New Year's fire alarm sounding as well. But this was more of the Christmas/holiday fire alarm sounding. Thank you everyone for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the new year.